your close rate should be higher, and you seem like you're very capable, you got good posture, good tonality, you should have a higher close rate. If they don't trust you, we got to look at a couple things. Google, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, what are our costs per leads right now? Is that for a booked call or just a lead? Okay, 115. What's our show rate? Okay, that's the first problem. Okay, what's your close rate? Jesus, yeah. So, yeah. So here's the thing. You know, I don't mind giving stuff away for free and shit, so I'll tell you what you should do. You double book. You double book so that this becomes 70. And then you do a weekly webinar instead. And you educate people, go from webinar to book a call, and this should be near like 30%. And that's what I'd rather see you do instead. And then you can keep this on for just retargeting. Okay? Huh? Retargeting, yeah. So that's what I would personally do. But I would have to look more at like LTV and all that stuff, but like just from first glimpse, like this is what I say. Because if we have lack of trust, your close rate should be higher, and you seem like you're very capable, you got good posture, good tonality, you should have a higher close rate. If they don't trust you, we got to look at a couple things. Google, Instagram, YouTube. Be honest with yourself. Are you doing enough on these platforms? Okay. So that's the problem, though. We just heard a couple weeks ago, these people are losing trust. Are you doing one YouTube video a week? Yeah. Are you really doing one YouTube video a week?
Yeah, I mean, it's still fresh.
Okay.
I have it all cadenced out.
Okay, how many posts per day on Instagram? One. Okay, let's bump that to 2 or 3. Okay. And then Google, if they go online, do you have you invested in press or anything like that that can help you build more trust? Okay, so I would do that. So you can get more leverage on the social platform, I mean the SEO platform, excuse me. That would help you out a ton here. Okay.
How do you get more Google reviews?
I mean, that's more like review management. So like we use GHL to get Google reviews. What do you do, sir?